Hey, what's up everyone? I just wanted to bring you a RC bulldozer comparison between the YiGong bulldozer, the Huina. This one is a Bruder D5 conversion by myself, and I included the D11 there for size comparison. Up first is the YiGong bulldozer. This one's the smallest out of the bunch. It has lights and the blade goes up and down on a spinning motor, so you don't really have that great of a control over. The scarifier doesn't go up and down in the rear. This one really struggles in the sand. It struggles under its own weight, and it has very low clearance on the bottom. As you can see, it's immediately struggling before I can even try to move any material. It tends to bottom out pretty easily. That's what's going on here. A lot of times it can't even spin under its own weight. The motors click a lot. It suffers a lot from shock loading due to its poor design. This is more of what I would consider a desktop bulldozer. Comes in at 1 pound or 471 grams. Up next is the Huina bulldozer. This one has a modified blade because a factory setup you cannot actually dig. It will only stockpile. The Huina comes in at 2 pounds or 912 grams. And let's take a look at how the Huina does in the same sand. Similar to the YiGong, the blade up and down motion is controlled by a circular motor, so if you keep going in one direction, such as upwards, it will eventually turn around and go downwards. The Huina definitely does a bit better, but still not quite good enough to be considered a good bulldozer in my opinion. It would definitely need some of the other modifications seen by some of the other videos featuring this bulldozer on YouTube, such as the Grouser tracks and maybe some additional weight as well. This one is factory other than the blade modification. One nice thing about the Huina bulldozer though is that the scarifier does go up and down. However, I found that it gets in the way more than I actually want to use it. The Huina will do decent in very light material. Moving on to my Bruder D5 conversion. Don't mind the rat's nest of wires there, I do plan to fix it. It comes in at 6 pounds or 2.8 kilos. I filled it up with lead shot. It also has a custom 6-way blade that I downloaded off Colts 3D. The blade I had designed, I included the link for the blade and the 6-way in the description. It also has custom tracks which I included in the description. I did not design those. Let's take a look at how this does in the sand. And overall, Well, you can immediately see why I chose to build my own. This model simulates a real bulldozer in every way, certainly by its ability to dig. It has no problem in the sand. As a matter of fact, the amount that it's on was built completely by this bulldozer. I have a bunch more videos on my channel featuring this bulldozer. You can head over there to watch some more and see what this thing really can do. Otherwise, I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching.